In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Constant Contact subscription. If you're ready to stop your subscription and prevent future charges, I'll walk you through the process clearly so you know exactly what to expect. This works best on a desktop browser, and you'll want to be signed in as the primary account holder so you can access billing options. Start by logging in to your Constant Contact account. Once you're in, look toward the top of the screen for your profile icon or account menu. It might appear as your initials or a small user avatar. Click that to open the main account options. From there, go to the area labeled Billing, Plan, or Account Settings. The wording can vary slightly depending on your version, but you're looking for the place that lists your plan details and payment information. Inside that section, locate your active subscription. This is where you'll see your current plan name, your billing cycle, and the renewal date. Next, choose the option that begins the cancellation process. It may be called Cancel, Close Account, or Manage Plan. If you see Manage Plan, click it and then look for a Cancel or Close option within the plan controls. Don't worry if there are a few screens. Constant Contact often confirms that you understand what's changing before it finalizes anything. Follow the on-screen prompts to confirm your decision. You might be asked for a reason, shown your final access date, or asked to acknowledge what features will end. Read each screen carefully so you know whether your cancellation takes effect immediately or at the end of your current billing period. If you have any scheduled emails or ongoing automations, keep in mind that those will stop once the cancellation takes effect, so plan ahead if you need to wrap anything up. When you reach the final confirmation, complete the steps as instructed. As soon as the cancellation is processed, save any confirmation you receive. Take a quick screenshot of the confirmation page, download any available receipt or PDF, and keep an eye on your inbox for a confirmation email. Keeping a record with the date, time, and reference number is helpful for your files. Afterward, it's a good idea to return to your billing or plan page to ensure the status reflects that the subscription is set to end or is canceled. That way, you have visual confirmation inside your account as well as your save proof. And that's it. You've successfully canceled your Constant Contact subscription and secured your confirmation for future reference.